Now we go for part 2, the universe 16 on page 222, 223 and 224. We have been discussing about our natural satellite. Before that, this all things, all planet, all suns and all comets, meteors, all includes one universe. In this universe, uni means one. In this universe, there are many galaxies, group of stars and form different galaxies. Our galaxy is also made up of millions of stars. The light, visible stars light we get is sun. And our planet is, there are 8 planets. One is dwarf planet, the last planet, Pluto. It is not in the list now. Now this moon is the only natural satellite for our planet Earth. Now we are going to discuss about our phases of moon. Moon shows different phases like crescent moon, new moon, half moon, gibbous moon, full moon. And when there is new moon day, the moon is not visible. Then the size of the moon, after new moon day, the size of the moon is start growing. This is called waxing. Once it become fully grown, it is called full moon day. Then it will go for reducing the size. It is called waning. You know that moon is also go for revolution like our earth. Moon revolve around our earth in 29.5 days. One complete revolution of the moon around the earth takes 29.5 days. This is the flow chart of our galaxy, that is Agastya. And here consists of, that sun, planet and other celestial bodies. These all things are called celestial bodies. And what are called internal planets. First 4 planets are called internal planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. The rest are called external planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, which is called dwarf planet. Now let's move on to the topic sun. Sun is our head of solar system. All the planets revolve around the sun. Sun is fixed to the stationary position. About 3/4 of the sun is made of hydrogen and 1/4 is made up of helium. These two elements are made to form sun. So sun is made up of 2 elements, hydrogen gas and helium gas. Who is more amount, whose composition is more? Hydrogen composition is more in the sun. And also it contains small amount of oxygen, carbon, neon, nitrogen, magnesium and iron elements. Also, when you go for planets, every planet has, most of the planets have natural satellite except Mercury and Venus. Mercury, Venus, these are the planets, they don't have natural satellite at all. Earth has only one satellite, whereas Jupiter has large number of natural satellites, that is 63 satellites are present in Jupiter planet. A spaceship named Eagle, which was landed on moon on 20th July 1969. Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon. In Greek language, the meaning of planet is wanderer. Many planets like Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn, these all planets can be seen with our own naked eye from the Earth. At the same time, Mercury takes 88 days to complete one revolution around the Sun, whereas Earth takes 365.25 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. Pluto also takes 248 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. Mercury is the fastest and the smallest of all the planets. Since this Mercury planet is present on the same side of the Sun, since Mercury is always present on the same side of the Sun, the one part of this Mercury has day and is the hottest, while the other part of Mercury has night and is the coldest part. Venus is the brightest of all the planets and also it is the brightest object in the sky. It is also called a shining planet. It looks silver blue in color. Then the red planet is Mars and the largest planet is Jupiter. It is having great red spot. The second biggest planet is Saturn and it is cooler than the Jupiter. Saturn is encircled with a ring, 7 rings, which is made of ice particles. Saturn is a ball of gases with no solid surface. Pluto is the farthest and dwarf planet as well as smallest planet, also known as coldest dwarf planet. Asteroids are other heavenly body which revolve around the sun, also orbit between Mars and Jupiter. Meteors are also called as asteroids, like a small piece of stones and metallic rocks it is made of. And when these meteors or asteroids get into the Earth's atmosphere, due to air, it gets friction. It gets air friction. Due to air friction, it gets heated up and burn, forming streak of light in the sky. This is called shooting stars or falling stars, also called as meteors. The meteors which reach the earth, after burning it reaches the earth, that is called meteorites. Comets are also heavenly body which is a ball of frozen gases and dust particles as well as rocks that also orbit around the sun. It also have a long tail like structure which always points away from the sun. The tail becomes longer as the comet comes closer to the sun. When the comet enters the Earth's atmosphere, it burns due to heat and friction of the air. The burning comet produces shower meteors or shooting stars.